Since October 2020, NPFMC has archived all live council meeting recording and temporarily stored recent AP meeting videos on its YouTube pages. To view these meetings, visit our YouTube pages at NPFMC and at NPFMC AP. NPFMC only posts the most recent AP meeting on YouTube. For other audio recordings, see the e-agenda at npfmc.org.
To view archived meetings prior to October 2020, visit npfmc.org to access the e-agenda. There, you'll find agendas, meeting summaries, motions, documents, written comments, and audio recordings.